How to add Shein items on cart. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the shop page. Now head towards the item that you want to add to cart to make a purchase. In the case you cannot find in the shop section, at the top you will see this search box. Over here you can just type in the name of the product that you want to purchase. After you find the product, open it. Scroll down. You have to select the details of the product. You can select the color as well as size. After you select those, you can click on the option of add to cart. I have just added one item to the cart. Likewise, I'm gonna add few more items to the cart. After you are done with adding items to the cart, at the top right corner you can find this cart icon. Click on it. And over here you're gonna find all the items that you have added to your cart. So this is how you can easily add Shein items on cart. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.